Pasensya na mo, kay dili ko gwapo sa kamera, sa personal ra. Salamat. Good afternoon everyone, mega love shout out kang Mitch Ella ay nakapasok sa iyang performance output sa EPP
Wow
TLE.
naman.
MG Aldrin. Cute kaya yung gipasa. Apilsad kang Ashley Nicole. Kaya nakapasa na sa iyang performance output sa EPP TLE 6. Ang uban nga wala pa nakapasa, please magpasa na mo. Dili pa mo abot ang week 5.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Jackie. And today I am going to help you make a project plan for your TLE subject.
Making your own household linen can save money. You can also discover your creativity and skill by producing the design that you really like. Some of those can be sold to augment family income, but you should study first the format in planning a project. Project plan is a formal document designed to guide the control and execution of a project.
Have you ever thought of that?
This is now the correct format or proper order of the project plan. It uses Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Part 1 is the name of the project. This is an overview or the title itself of what the project is all about. Number 2, objectives. This states the goal of the project. This must be achievable, realistic, and concise. Part 3 is the sketch. This part illustrates the raw materials and finished product. Part 4, materials and tools needed. This is the list of materials and tools that you need so that you can finish your project. Part 5 is the procedure. This explains the steps in doing the project. And of course, evaluation for Part 6. This uses the scorecard to evaluate the project.
Easy peasy.
Here are the guidelines in planning a project. Number 1. Once you have chosen the design, list the materials needed. Number 2. Choose the fabric most suitable for the project. Number 3. Plan the steps to be followed in making the project. Number 4. Prepare the sewing tools, materials, and sewing machine if you have any. Number 5. After using, keep your sewing materials in a sewing box. For the evaluation part, this is an example of a scorecard that your teacher might use in evaluating your project. The first criterion will be safety practices, and that is for 30%. Workmanship for 50%. And of course, the overall design for 20%. This is a total of 100%. So I hope that you are going to do your project the right way.
Maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw. I hope you have learned something from me today and I hope na magiging tama ang inyong paggawa ng inyong mga projects. Just keep up the good work, guys. This is Teacher Jackie saying bye-bye.
Fire.